Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Heather of My Creative Corner. Today we are going to work on Reveal Day 29 of Junk Journal January 2025. I've already gone ahead and prepared my pages, and I've just got something I'm going to attach. I just thought I would talk about what I did and why I prepared it. But anyways, because I didn't want this to be a long video, as we're starting to wrap up the end of January and the prompts. So this page I painted with some just acrylic craft paint, warm white, so you could still kind of see what's underneath. And then I took my ruler and just a Sharpie fine point pen, and I made lines on it because what I wanted to do, because I have pages left over, just a few, is to have space to write at the end about this journey and the journal and making the videos and the challenges and the ups and downs and the whole creative process and why I did it and yada yada. So that's what I wanted to do with some of my pages, because some of my pages some of the prompts I lumped together. So anyway, so I had a few pages left over, and I don't know, maybe I had extras to begin with, but anyway, so that's what I did with these. As I painted on this, put my lines on, I collaged on here on these two pages, used my Sharpie again, put my lines, and then what I'm going to do is I have this picture because it is January and it has been very cold and the trees have no leaves and the snow, and it just seemed fitting to be part of a January prompt. I'd already had it picked out when I did the journal up last summer when I was working on making these. I had put a few inspirations in with them to go with each month and what they represented for me. So this is January. And then I took some tracing paper, a paper doily, which is tea dyed, and one of these little things. This is just cardstock, and my white gel pen. These are things I have laying around and already doodled on. So I glued that to the tracing paper and that on top. And I want to put that over on there. And then what I'm going to do is just staple these to the page. And then if you lift it up, it's going to reveal a writing space. So that was my idea for today. So I'm just going to throw some staples in, and of course this will get bent as it's kind of a little bit too big for the page and not sticking out, and that's alright. But I'm just going to staple and then I've got a writing space underneath. It reveals the spot where I can record my private thoughts on doing the Junk Journal January. And I have some more over here that I can record on, and over here. And maybe I'll put another little something on this page, and so it covers it up too. But that is what I came up with for today. And I may put some washi tape over them maybe. I'm not sure. I don't want to cover my tree up. But I may put washi tape over those ones. Just, anyway, that doesn't matter at the moment. So, that is day 29, reveal of Junk Journal January 2025, and what I came up with. So, stay tuned for the next one. We're almost to the end. And then we'll be on to February, and I'm not sure what I have planned for it yet. So, stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Goodbye now.